My hope for these dialogues is that we can approach an agricultural future that embraces complexity, because that really is at the heart of agroecology. It's a system that promotes social justice and sustainability and cooperation and all kinds of things that get left out very often of the innovation discussion. The reason that I'm doing this, and the reason why I want to do it more, is because I think when we start to embrace complexity, we get better solutions, and we get more solutions rather than fewer solutions. I think the thing that I've learned from our own work in this area is that it's not just a matter of asking government to change their mind. Everybody needs to get involved. So government needs to take a broader view and a broader vision of the future of farming. The institutes that are funding innovation, they need to understand the difference between an intensive system, which we all know is kind of dragging us in the wrong direction, and the diversity of an agroecological system. But agroecology also needs to take a leading role here. It's not enough just to sit back and say nobody understands us. We have to be able to communicate what it is that we want, why we represent a transformational system, and how we can shape technology in order to help us. We started a bigger conversation, literally because we wanted a bigger conversation. My partner and I worked in genetic technologies and trying to get a lot of different people around the table to talk about that. What we realized that there were people from all kinds of disciplines, from ethics, from the social sciences, from law, who all had a view and all had something to contribute to this conversation. But as the conversation continued, we realized that choices and discussions and narratives around genetic engineering are really connected to our choices around technology as a sort of wider landscape of technology. And so we started the Agroecological Intelligence project to look at those wider choices around technology and how particularly values influence the technologies that we use, the technologies that we choose, and the technologies that we choose to reject. I think particularly with digital technologies, what we've heard from the agroecological farmers that we are interviewing is that they really value them. They do value technology that connects them to other things. It connects them to information, connects them to people, connects them to the land. What they don't want is they don't want digital technology that replaces hard-earned knowledge or replaces human connection. And so there's a fine line to walk between providing digital technology that actually enhances the farm and the farmer's knowledge, and providing digital technology that replaces that entirely and automates it in some way. And that came through really strongly with agroecological farmers in particular. They want to be actively involved in the decisions that they make and the technology that they use.